Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Varda's Cuisine. How are you all? Today we're going to start our video. Food for thought. Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. So education is very important thing, and Achiever Learning Center give you opportunity to fulfill your dreams, to study abroad. Here the contact given. You can, for further details, you can contact on this number and fulfill your dream and educate yourself. So let's start the simple and easy recipe of a chicken tikka bites. Here I take 250 gram of chicken. Here I use the chicken with bone. You can use the boneless chicken as well. So here we have 250 gram of chicken. I slit the chicken. So all the spices will be marinated well into the chicken. Here we have the ingredients that we're going to add into the chicken. 1 fried onion, 1 cup of yogurt, 3-4 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt according to your taste, and black pepper according to your taste, or you can use 2 teaspoon of black pepper. Here are the simple ingredients that we're going to use to marinate the chicken. Now, my next step is that I take the 1 blending jar, add all the ingredients into the blending jar. That is 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 fried onion, salt, ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, salt and black pepper according to your taste. I'm going to add all these ingredients into the blending jar. Take half cup of water and blend it very well. This mixture you're going to use to marinate the chicken. Here I use 2 tablespoons of vinegar that helps to tender your chicken. So I add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Here the mixture is ready. Now when the mixture is ready, my next step is that take 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Now here I'm using 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Now add all this cornflour into the mixture that we blended, 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Now mix it very well. It should be lumps free. There should be no lumps in the mixture. So mix it very well and make it lump free. So from your homemade spices, you can make amazing and delicious chicken tikka bites. Try this recipe. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video. I hope you're liking my video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share my video. So I'm mixing it very well, so there should be lumps free. Now my mixture is ready. Before that, I will just add pinch of the food color. It is optional. Pinch of food color you're going to add over here. I just take yellow color, pinch of yellow color that I'm going to add in this mixture and mix it very well. So it's optional, as I said. It's not necessary to mention it. And you can also use red chili powder instead of the green chilies. So now my mixture is ready. Now I will pour all this mixture into the chicken and marinate it very well and leave it at least for 30 minutes, and you can also leave it overnight. So here what I have done, I leave it overnight, but we don't have much time. You can at least leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, so it will be marinate very well and chicken will be tender. So I pour all the mixture and mix it very well, and overnight I will put it in the refrigerator. After that we're going to cook it, so chicken will be tender, soft and juicy. So you can see it's a quick and easy recipe that you can make and enjoy with your family. Yeah, my chicken is marinated very well. Now I just place it in the refrigerator overnight, and next day I'm going to cook this. So if you don't have the time, you can also cook it after like 1 hour, 15 to 30 minutes. That is enough. Now my next step is that next day I'm going to cook this. Now it's ready. Take 1 pan. In that pan, I just add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now on the medium flame, I'm going to add the marinated chicken into the pan on medium flame. Here the flame is medium. Let's cook the chicken. It will not take much time. Now on medium flame, I will cover it with the lid for at least 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is required. So after 15 to 20 minutes, when I see my chicken, you can see it is near to ready. In this way, the chicken will be turn out very juicy, tender, and delicious, and absorb all the spices. Now, on high flame, I will just dry all the ingredients, like you can see over here. So, I just on high flame, I'm going to cook this. So, all the spices, all the ingredients will be stick to the chicken. Now, on high flame, I'm going to cook this to dry my chicken. So, I'm going to cook it on high flame. So when it's dry, so all the spices and all the things will be stick to the chicken, and it turns out really delicious and yummy. So please try this recipe. Now you can see it takes only 3 to 4 minutes. So the chicken is now ready. Now next step is the very interesting step that you're going to do, is that take in one pan and take, now you're going to shallow fry the chicken on high flame. Because our chicken is ready, it's tender, and now you can see we're just giving the color to the chicken when we fry it on high flame, shallow fry on high flame. So you can see now our chicken is ready to eat. You can serve with the salad and you can enjoy this. You can see our chicken is very soft, juicy, delicious, and tender. So you can try this recipe. It's amazing, and chicken tikka bites are very soft and mouth watering. It just delicious recipe. So try this recipe. When you can see, look at this texture, it's very soft. It's very soft and delicious. Take care. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.